we have another really awesome question here. What factors are different between the main stage set and the welcome areas? So I haven't really talked about, and all the rest of that stuff that we went through, I haven't really talked about the welcome areas. But they are different, they are simpler than the main stage, but they do have some things in common too. We have animals that are the same on the stage, but also the same into those greeting zones. And I think it's always important to just bring the word welcome. So we have the word welcome, specifically this year, welcome trekkers, because that's what the kids are called. So welcome trekkers, and we have that, just those words that combine with some fun graphic design motifs in those entry areas. I will say the factors that are different, the stage simply has more stuff, and it has the harder stuff. So the main stage will have the mountain, it'll have the things that are time-consuming and difficult, and the entryway pieces, whether for the gym or a main sanctuary entry, it's more doable stuff. It's stuff that we can crank through a little bit easier. Or if that person is painting giraffes for the stage, they're also painting a giraffe for the entryway. Or if that person's creating a lion for the stage, it's easy to just have them additionally do a lion for an entryway. So those are good things to think about. All right, another question is, what about hanging things? And so we tend to do that as well. It's just an easy way to continue to create ambiance as you enter your building. So this year we're going to have some clouds that are going to be hanging along with those triangular pendants that all of a sudden, you know, you've got this cool stuff hanging from your ceiling, and it complements the ground up stuff that has been implemented for either the gym or the entryway. Now, another area that we really like to give attention to is the area beyond the main sanctuary entry. So you enter our building, you see some fun, good stuff, and then you continue walking and you see some more fun, good stuff before finally seeing the stage. So we have a sanctuary entry point, and it usually has, it's an enclosed area, it has a large opening, it has a black light interior, which is really fun for the kids as they walk through that black light interior, but around that is housed different stuff through the year. So for instance, this year, we've made it our hut. So it is covered in a bamboo fencing, which is an awesome and not that expensive product to buy. It's 6 foot tall. It wraps around that whole opening. We added a few pieces of paint by number type graphic design that were above that 6 foot fencing so that we could get to our 8 foot tall perimeter. And this year we purchased this grass thatching to be our roof. So instantly you put an okapi animal on one side and an alligator on the other, and this beautiful thatched roof and bamboo fencing around the perimeter, and you have an amazing entry point for the kids, and they really love that. They love walking through that zone, and the black light lights up their shirts and